Carbon dioxide is the largest single contributor to human-induced climate change. It is the main constituent of greenhouse gases which trap heat and make the planet warmer. Less than 200 years ago, there was hardly any heat-trapping CO2 emissions in the atmosphere. The emission of CO2 and other greenhouse gases was started with the Industrial Revolution, which began in Britain with the burning of fossil fuels via steam engines. In the late 18th century, the consumption of fossil fuel was comparatively low, and the UK was responsible for most of industrial carbon emissions. The industrialization spread throughout the world, mainly in Belgium, France, and German states, and in North America, the United States, and these countries also started emitting CO2. Before the 19th century, the most number of CO2 emitters were from Europe and North America, but after that, other countries from another continent also started emitting more CO2, especially China. After some decades, the US took the place of Britain of top emitter of CO2. Since 19th century, no country has put more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere than the United States. But in year 2006, China's emissions passed those of the US. Also, China and other Asian countries started emitting more CO2, whereas UK and US decreased it with the use of more methods based on gas and renewables instead of coal. The major change in CO2 emission was due to that China has industrialized with the heavy reliance on coal-fired power, which increased its CO2 emissions. So, recent trend continue. China will be responsible for most atmospheric carbon dioxide in less than 20 years. It's no secret that our planet is getting hotter due to heat trapping CO2 emissions, but a new study suggests that current global warming trend could produce a climate not seen in almost half a billion years of Earth's history.